afternoon, everyone. Today, our team Swika, we have completed the industrial training project given to us by Intel. The topic was Introduction to GenAI and Simple LLM Interface on CPU and Fine Tuning of LLM Model to create a custom chatbot. So, this was our main topic. So, first of all, we have to create an environment. So, we have to first log into the Intel IDC, Intel Developer Cloud, and we have to access we have to go in training, and in training we have to access GenAI Essentials, simple LLM. So here we launched the Jupyter Notebook. First of all, we need to create an environment. So for environment, there's a set of codes that we used. For example, conda create this one. Like we are creating an environment, activating it, and now we are using Intel extension for transformers. So we installed an Intel extension for transformers. We cloned the GitHub repository so that we can get access to all the previously used ideas by other people. We have installed all the requirements that was given to us, and using Hugging Face, where we use access tokens and all to download the Llama model so that we can use it for a custom chatbot. This is this is the interface. This is the entire code which we need to use to create an environment. Okay, so next, what we did is we ran our code in the Intel IDC itself, but there was one problem that we are facing. Actually, we're using the Alpaca dataset, and Alpaca dataset has number of data points more than 52,000. And since we are fine tuning it at each and every step, that's why it was taking a lot of time. You can see we ran it for more than 2 hours, 1 hour 35 minutes, and still it showed 94 hours is still remaining. And if we are using an IDC for more than 3 hours, it's automatically it's doing a session timeout. So here we face a problem. So we thought of doing the entire thing using Kaggle and the Intel libraries itself. So we opened Kaggle, and using the GPU, inbuilt GPU inside Kaggle, we created an environment. So then it's almost the same environment. Let me show you the code. This is the code. First we installed the intersection transformers, cloned the GitHub. We installed the requirements of CPU and normal requirements, which we used for normal chatbot as well as the fine tuning purposes. All the things has been downloaded. After that, we have used Hugging Face, so that we have to log in into Hugging Face also. So I used the Hugging Face token, from Hugging Face import login, and I used my access token to create an account in the Hugging Face. This all is the environment creation. Now the code is for final chatbot and text generation. So first we will take a model from Hugging Face itself. We'll fine tune it, and then we'll test it on our data. This data is for text generation, right? So this is a complete entire code. A model we are using from Meta Llama 2 7B Chat HF model. Okay, Alpaca dataset we have taken. These are the number of epochs. We chose 3: gradient accumulation steps 2, do evaluation true, do train true, and all that. After fine tuning the model, we have saved it, and we have used that same model, because since it was running on GPU, I can show you, it took it took 1 hour 70 minutes to entire run, and 43.6 GB of data of space, whereas 14.7 GB of memory of GPU itself, which made it super fast compared to the 97 hours in Intel. So after this, we have used the BF16 optimization, and we have tried it on 5 different questions. First of all, we have loaded that same model, and first question, what can you tell about a black hole? Summarize. So it gave a great answer. Similarly, is God really one? Do aliens exist? What do you think about yoga? and can by any means we achieve superpower? If yes, how? So this is how like we fine tuned it towards text generation, and we made it so that it is more inclined towards providing better results while generation. So what I did is I created a while loop so that it can be used as a normal chatbot and with human intervention. So like if our query contains thank you, it exists. Else, it keeps on repeating the same process and answers all of your questions. So all of the files I have uploaded in the GitHub. The other unsuccessful attempts that we have made, which included all the things we like where the time was taking very high and all that. Everything, each and everything has been uploaded on this GitHub ID. And me and my teammate Ayushi Mishra, we both have completed this project. Thank you.